In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Dropbox. Whether you're trying to free up some space or simply tidying up your cloud storage, removing files you no longer need can help keep your storage organized and efficient. Let's get started with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to head over to dropbox.com and sign into your account. Ensure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access the files you want to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Dropbox homepage, where all your files and folders are stored. Take a moment to navigate through your account to find the file or folder you wish to remove. This might involve scrolling through your list of documents or using the search bar for quicker access. Being organized will help speed up this process, especially if you have a lot of data stored. Once you've located the file or folder to delete, it's time to prepare for removal. Hover your mouse over the chosen file or folder. You'll notice three dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, appearing next to it. These dots are the key to accessing additional options beyond simple viewing or editing. Clicking on the ellipsis will present you with a drop-down menu featuring various actions you can perform concerning the file. Here you'll find the delete option. This step is crucial, so double check that you've selected the correct file or folder. Accidental deletions can happen but are avoidable with a little attention to detail. After selecting delete, Dropbox will prompt you with a confirmation box. This is Dropbox's way of ensuring you really want to remove the item permanently. Give it a final glance to confirm your choice. When you're ready, click delete again to proceed. Congratulations, you've now successfully removed unwanted files or folders from your Dropbox account. It's as simple as that. If you ever need to retrieve a deleted file, remember that Dropbox offers a recovery feature for files deleted within the last 30 days, adding a safety net for any accidental deletions. As you continue managing your Dropbox account, remember that keeping it clutter-free can improve your efficiency and ensure you're able to find what you need when you need it. Whether for personal use or professional projects, maintaining a tidy file organization system is always beneficial. I hope this guide was helpful, providing you with all the information you need to clean up your Dropbox with confidence. Stay tuned for more tips on managing cloud services effectively. Thanks for watching and have a great day organizing your digital space.